Hey gang, Richard Weberg here, and in today's video I am going to show you how to use TrafficAdBar to build a crap ton of traffic. You can do it absolutely free. TrafficAdBar also has optional upgrades for those people with a budget. You know, some people don't, some people do. When I first started, I started with as much free traffic as I can get my hands on. In TrafficAdBar, you can crank up the traffic immensely. It's extremely simple to use. TrafficAdBar is a form of a traffic exchange, but it's unique because it delivers your traffic 3 ways. And, you know, if you haven't seen my videos, you can keep up to date with them on my blog, or you can on my Facebook profile. I am posting all of these how-to daily videos in both places. And we also send them out in emails to our email marketing list. And everything we do focuses around teaching people how to build their email marketing list through Now Lifestyle in your 8 steps. You can watch some of my other videos for more details on that. And I just want to show you how to take actionable steps every single day, because if you never take action, you will not get results. Too many people sit on the fence and do not take action. And that's what these daily videos are all about. So we're going to get into it right now, and I'm going to show you real quick how to set this up and start getting a ton of traffic to your lead capture pages. So first thing you want to do is make sure, if you're following along 100%, log into Now Lifestyle. Last time I used your 8 steps as an example. This time I'm going to use Now Lifestyle. We're going to go to reseller tools in Now Lifestyle. So click on that. You're going to probably have landed on the dashboard. What you then want to do is go to the side menu over here, click on promo links, click on opportunity, and then we're going to click on this traffic exchange pages, lead capture pages. And when that loads, we're going to click on choose link, and we're going to load one of these links. So we can preview it, and all you do is click on the box there and it'll load it, and then below you'll get your link. And let me see one of the other ones. See which one I like better. I'm going to use this one right here. You can as well if you wish. I already have some of my lead capture pages in TrafficAdBar, but I want to show you how to add one here, and then I'll show you how to use TrafficAdBar to gain free visitors through developing points. And basically your links and your text ads will be exposed 3 different ways. So once you've joined TrafficAdBar, if you haven't yet, make sure you confirm your email address, because every ad site you ever join or any program you ever join, not usually 99.9% of the time, makes you confirm your email address. Once you've done that, then you're going to want to go ahead and log in to TrafficAdBar. And then you can see you got advertising right here at the top. You want to click on that, or you got sidebar things you can click on to navigate your account, and you'll want to do that later. But right now I just want you to take action and take this step, because like I said, without taking action, nothing will happen. And then scroll up to the top, click on advertising. And you can see I already have my Facebook marketing funnel one for Now Lifestyle lead capture page in here. I also have 2 other links in here that I use my rotator links for, because I use those, a rotator in a lot of traffic exchanges. What they do is they rotate my lead capture pages for Now Lifestyle and for my Your 8 Steps one that are connected to my Now Lifestyle autoresponder. And in another video one day I'll show you how to get a rotator and how you can do that, because it's really simple. And it just makes it easier to change links when you want to, alter them. You change them in one place and it changes them everywhere your rotator links are. But for now, I want to show you how easy it is to add your link, start getting points, and start getting that all needed traffic that you need to start developing every day to your lead capture pages. So what we're going to do is go copy this link from Now Lifestyle, and it shows up down below the preview. And you want to copy this, go back to a TrafficAdBar, paste it in here, scroll over with your arrow key, make sure there's no space before it, like HTTP, because you copied an extra space. Make sure there's not. Then click on Add Website. And you'll see it loads another like pop-up here real quick and shows you how this text ad kind of is going to look, but we're going to fix this. See, it only has like one line and then shows the link. You actually have 2 more lines, and that you can alter this whatever it pulls up, but it tries to pull something. So I'm just going to put attention, traffic exchange user. I got to take out, that's a little too long. So I got to shorten this. I'm going to change that to get results from your marketing. A little too long still. So I'll type in traffic exchange results. Sometimes it takes a little bit to come up with, you know, stuff that fits when they use text ad boxes, and that's okay because it helps you to be a more creative writer. So if this takes you a little bit to do, that's okay. I'm pretty used to doing it, and I usually can come up with good things right away that get results, but you can always come in here and change it anytime you want. So I'm going to go back to Now Lifestyle and look at this page, so see what I can steal off of it, because I want it to kind of match the offer. Okay. I think I got something. Perfect. Perfect opportunity. Let me see what else I can take from their perfect opportunity. Explode your income. Explode your income now. Okay, that all fits. Let's put the perfect opportunity. Okay, traffic exchange results, the perfect opportunity, exposure. I'll put, see if I can put 2 here because that'll make better sense than I can. Traffic exchange results, the perfect opportunity to explode your income now. And, you know, that's what you want, something catchy that they're going to click on. But many people are going to click on. Don't worry, you know, you're going to gain more experience writing stuff as we go along. And that's why these daily actionable steps to help you start getting results and start getting you moving, because without moving, like I said, nothing will happen. And I can't stress that enough. Please follow along for those of you that are, you know, following us 100% and building exactly what we're showing you to do, and teaching you to build your email list and develop these all important, very important traffic traffic systems that we are using. So that all looks good now. What we're going to do is just click Save. I can't use an exclamation in the title, so it told me right there, so I'm just going to delete it. And that still looks good, so now we're just going to click Save. And that is added, as you can see right here. And any of these you ever want to click on to see what they look like, you just go like this, and then you can scroll down and you see what the ad looks like. And you can alter these anytime you want and click Save just by clicking on any one of them or whatever. And you can switch which one is your primary. I think as a free member, you can have 3 websites. I think I can have like 10 as a pro member because I'm a pro member. And then now it's added. Now you can start using this site and gaining points, and you gain points in 3 different ways. And your ads will be shown 3 different ways depending upon how you use the site as a free member, or if you have a pro upgrade, you'll get so many visitors every single month no matter what, and that helps leverage your time and gain you additional advertising exposure. But you can literally get thousands and thousands of visitors through this, and these visitors convert. I've been using this site for a very long time, because it absolutely converts. And that's what's critical to your success, is using sites. Not all of them convert the same rate, but you want to have multiple traffic sources flowing so that you can get your ads seen, 24/7, 365 days a year. So you develop a flood of traffic to your lead capture pages, because the faster you build your list, the faster you have more people to follow up with, and the faster that you get signups and sales. That's the whole methodology behind building and using a system. So now you can see I got a page pulled up here, and what some people do is there's a widget or whatever where you can actually load pages using the TrafficAdBar text ad exchange. And what these people are doing is they're building traffic through showing these ads on their pages, or maybe showing them on their blogs or their websites. If you can see down here at the bottom, this is how these text ads show up. And that's what's great, is these text ads are not forced click-through. These text ads show up all over the internet, all over on different websites, because people have put these on here to gain additional exposure, to their ads, and they gain extra points that way. But your ads show up on these people's pages and websites. Now, I don't do that, what I'm telling you that some of these people do, but lots of people do, because I don't ever take away anything from my lead capture page being exposed, because I want people, only action is to opt into my lead capture page, and that's what you want. We let other people do this and give you a broader exposure all over the place, but your lead capture page is what you want to have exposed. And so now what we're going to do is show you one other way that your lead capture pages will get exposed. Is TrafficAdBar sends out to all members, and there's tens of thousands of members that get their TrafficAdBar daily emails or weekly emails, and they will view your links from inside these. As you can see, I can click on one of these, and now it loads somebody's ad, and there's a countdown timer.
Steps of the system.
There's a countdown timer here so that you can earn points. Now you earn points, so you can click on another one if you want. And you can keep going to earn more traffic, because the more points you get, the more you use the TrafficAdBar system, the more your web pages, your offer, your lead capture pages are exposed to other people. And you can see I've had 28 hits today already on one of my pages. Points today 298, and that will climb and climb and climb. But I just wanted to show you how the different methods are so that you can gain more points, for those of you who don't have a budget, or if you do have a budget and you're buying ads and you got time, you want to develop more traffic, get more traffic flowing while your other paid ads are running. This is what I do, so that I multiply all my efforts. So if I go back to TrafficAdBar, you also can view other, see this, click here to earn points now on the left-hand side menu. You can click on that. And again, you can just surf in your browser. There's people out there who think this kind of stuff doesn't work, traffic exchanges, and I'm telling you they absolutely do. We are one of the leaders in Now Lifestyle and have been on the top of the leaderboard at times, and we are always in that top range because we develop so much traffic that we get signups and opt-ins to our lead capture pages 24/7. We know what we're doing. We have years and years of experience, and this stuff absolutely works. Some traffic exchanges out there don't. In these daily videos, we give you the ones that are the best and the ones that absolutely work, because we've used and tested them for years, some of them. And then if you want to click on the next link, there'll be these text ads right here, and you click on the next one and it loads it. And again, a countdown timer. When that one's done, you click on another one. And that's why you try to make your text ad stand out a little bit or gain attention, because a lot of people will just haphazardly click on these links, and it's the page that's, of course, going to catch their eye, because when it's being delivered in the browser, they're looking to get points, more so than when they see it like this at the bottom here, or on a website maybe in the right-hand column or left-hand column, because those aren't forced click-through. A lot of non-members will be clicking on these. So you get really great exposure either totally for free, or the combination of being upgraded and earning points through your activities. And this is a way to get instant traffic to your lead capture pages today. So do not hesitate. Follow these instructions if you're following us. Everything we give you is how we have made our freedom. Me and my son John are both totally free from internet marketing and what we do, and now lifestyle. It is totally awesome, and you just need to follow along and take daily actionable steps. And that's what these daily videos are designed to do, is to help you take daily actionable steps. So other than that, my friends, we will see you on the next video, and I really hope you take our advice and follow along with us, because we are gonna take you on an awesome ride together in a journey. And we are trying to do something that nobody else does, and that is give you real how-to videos over the shoulder. And right now I'm trying to do one every single day to help you get cranking in Now Lifestyle and build your email marketing list, which is the most important thing you can do to build income online. Other than that, have a great day, my friends. We'll talk to you soon.